Hello guys. So today we'll be discussing what are the possible reasons for a sharp crash in gold and silver Friday night. I've been telling this before that I am expecting a huge 20 to 30% per se correction. So gold has given us approximately 11% correction yesterday and silver has given 30% correction. Okay. So what is the reason? So first and foremost, most technical traders they only focus on gold and silver and they miss out this chart. Okay, this is called DXY. This is your dollar index. What does dollar index mean? Dollar index is a chart of showing dollar how it's performing against other currencies, euro, yen, pound, okay, etc. Please understand this one terminology that whenever your dollar index is going to rise, okay, your precious metals are going to fall. Alrighty, and whenever your dollar index is going to fall, okay, you are going to see a sharp rise in your precious metals. So what happened yesterday? We'll go into macroeconomics now. What's happened is that Donald Trump has invited Kevin Warsh, a former Fed governor, to be the new Fed chairman. Now, Kevin Warsh is known to be having a hawkish statement. Okay, so he's always in favor of you know increasing interest rates. So what happens is when you increase the interest rate, you get more appreciation to your deposits. Correct. So this was one sentiment which has led to an increase in dollar index yesterday. On the contrary, now this is something which I think 90% of the traders they don't know. That is called, this is the Japanese yen. All right. So Japanese yen controls 18 trillion dollars market cap. Okay. This is your funding liquidity for global assets globally. So what happened is that whenever yen rises, okay, stay prepared for something to fall. Now, what's going to fall? Your risk assets are going to fall. Your safe haven assets are going to fall. Your crypto is going to fall. Your silver is going to fall. Your gold is going to fall. Okay. So before the fall happened, I was predicting this fall just because of this Japanese yen. Japanese yen became bullish over here. Okay. Japanese yen has clearly given a structure shift technically. Okay. Japanese yen rose, but when Japanese yen was rising, so were gold and silver. So I was expecting a sharp fall anytime. What's happened yesterday in Japanese yen? Japanese yen came down. So now what's going to happen? Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, gold, silver, your precious metals are again going to go up. So now we'll go to gold and start discussing what are the interest levels where you should be interested in buying. So this is my okay. So this is my daily chart. Okay, I'm not going to share some secrets here, but I'm going to share that this is going to be your level. Alrighty, we are going to see gold probably in this week by 5,415 easily. Okay, coming to the 4-hour charts, we'll see where we can find a good entry level. Okay, I teach this in my classes about how precisely you can enter the markets, okay, with a minimum stop loss and say 1:3 reward ratio very easily. So this was my one structure. This was my other structure. Okay, this is where the price has given us a good rejection. So this is my area of interest. Okay, uh, if I am going to trade over here, okay, if I'll enter any of the positions, I will keep my first target here, somewhere here, okay, somewhere around $5,117. And if you really want to go long, okay, you can go long till here. This is your supply zone, okay, this, this level, this candle, 4-hour time frame, this is your supply zone. Mark this video, we'll see each other again in a week. 5,505 is your next target. See, 1-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame has also already started showing a good rejection. Okay, I can easily call this as a morning star. This is my morning star. Okay, this is my morning star pattern over here. So I am now going to see a rejection. Okay, my if I am going to consider 1 hour time frame, then this is going to be my first resistance. Okay, that's 5,391, and next is going to be 4 hour. Now how do we enter? We'll wait for 5 minute structure shift. Okay, I give you a very precise entry. Blah blah blah. Okay, 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 okay. The change of character is done over here. Okay, so this is your precise entry. Okay, so your stop losses are going to be below this level. Okay, 4,792 is going to be a stop loss with your targets given above. Now let's go to silver. Again, we'll always start our analysis from daily time frame. We'll always follow a top down approach. Silver, this was my first buy level, and this is my second buy level. So for gold, I'll say by the month of April, I am bullish. I am seeing gold eightfold move as its previous moves. I'm seeing gold easily around $8,000. Okay, I'm seeing gold at $8,000, and I'm seeing silver at 3% of pricing of gold. Okay, which is $240. Okay, this is where I am seeing gold and silver in the coming days. So please don't panic, please don't sell. I have advised all of my students and my clients not to sell, but rather I've advised them to start buying, because always buy the dip. Please understand that this is a golden opportunity for you to enter the trades again. This is what my buy level is, and yes, I am going to target silver uh, up until here, at least till my demand zone. Okay, $110 is going to be my target. $110, yes, you heard me right. 110. And if you are a positional trader, go long, go long, bro. Go long till April, go long till June, as much as you can. You can easily hold a target of the next target is $140. Okay, so next target is $140. Okay, so if you can wait, if you can hold, very nice. On the 4 hour time frame, we are seeing a good rejection. This is a pin bar. Okay, very good rejection. Okay, this is going to be a dragonfly doji. Candlestick patterns. Understand the language of patterns. Understand the language of candles. They speak to us. They talk to us. 1 hour time frame. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to patiently wait again for a 5 minute structure shift in silver. Okay. Once I'm finding a 5 minute structure shift, that means at least 2 BOS. Okay. Right now I've not seen even 1 BOS. So this is what my area of interest is going to be. Once price breaks this level, okay, that's 86.56, then I am interested in going long either from here, or I'm interested in going long somewhere from here. Okay, and my stop losses are going to be below this level, somewhere here. Okay, this is going to be my stop loss, and as I've already told you, my target is $110. So this is once in a lifetime opportunity. I don't think so. You guys should be missing out on such beautiful trades. And even if price tries to breach the stop loss, it's okay. You can hold. You can wait for a liquidity sweep. And if it's a liquidity sweep, then you can hold your positions. And if price gives a break of structure below it, then you can exit. What do you mean by liquidity sweep? Price will go up. Okay. It will come down. It will again try to take all of this liquidity. Okay, so this is the liquidity which price will try to take. If price tries to take this liquidity, you can hold your stop losses. Again, price may start going up, start taking this liquidity, and after you see a fake out. Okay, what's a fake out? Fake out means fake selling. Okay, this. Once price does something like this, once this liquidity is taken, you can hold your positions. Okay, thank me later. Thank you.